Stop guessing. Stop hoping. Today, we stop trading like an amateur. We are going to build a professional-grade trading dashboard. It has two parts, a GPS for the main trend and a sniper scope for the perfect entry. This is how you ride the big moves, by entering on the pullbacks with precision. Let's begin. First, the GPS. This tells us our overall direction. On a clean TradingView chart, open indicators. Search for HMA Trend Levels and select the one by Algo Alpha. To filter out the market noise, we must change the settings. Make the HMA fast length 50. Make the HMA slow length 80. Now, our trend direction is clear and reliable. That's part one. Next, the sniper scope. This is for our precision timing. Go back to indicators and add the standard MACD 2 times. Pay close attention. This is critical. For the first MACD, this is our fast momentum. Go to settings. Set fast length to 13 and slow length to 21. Under the Style tab, turn off the MACD line and the signal line. We only want the histogram. For the second MACD, this is our deep trend. Go to settings. Set fast length to 100 and slow length to 200. Under the Style tab, again, turn off the MACD and signal lines. But this time, change the histogram style to a line. One final step. Combine them. Click the 3 dots on one MACD and choose Pin to Scale. Select the other MACD. The dashboard is now complete. These are the rules for a buy signal. 4 simple checks. Main trend. The HMA indicator must show a blue cross-buy signal. Deep trend. Our MACD line must be above the 0 line. The pullback. Wait for the MACD columns to swing completely below the 0 line. The entry. Execute the trade on the first column that closes back above the 0 line. For the stop loss, place it below the slower HMA line. Aim for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. For a sell signal, the rules are the exact opposite. Main trend. The HMA must show a red cross-sell signal. Deep trend. The MACD line must be below 0. The pullback. Wait for the MACD columns to swing completely above 0. The entry. Execute on the first column that closes back below 0. It is a simple, mechanical system. Remember, no system is perfect. You will have losing trades. A loss is a business expense. Manage your risk, and the system will work over time. You now have the complete blueprint for a professional trading dashboard. Build it, test it, master it. If this video provided value, like and subscribe for more content. Let me know in the comments. What is your biggest trading challenge? Thank you for watching.